Good morning, members of Congress, officers of ministry, and everyone here. I'm Anthony Yip from Parrot Group. Congratulations on Mars Forum 2021 at Daejeon. Thank you very much to Hong Kong Group, Hong Kong Awesome Tech for inviting me to the forum. I would like to share about drone industry and technology trend from Parrot Group's point of view. Okay, let me introduce a bit the Parrot Group. We public listed in 2006 in Paris. We are founded by Henry Seidel in 1994. We are the leading European group in the drone industry. And Parrot is positioned across the entire value chain from equipment to service and software. We are now focusing on 3 vertical markets: 3D mapping, surveying, and inspection. The second, defense and security, and also agriculture. We are headquartered in Paris, employ over 500 people worldwide. We design and engineer our products in Europe, mainly in France and Switzerland. Okay, let me rewind a bit for what we are doing before in the drone industry. 11 years ago, in 2010, Parrot introduced the first ever consumer drone, the AR drone. It was controlled by smartphones and sold in Apple Store. AR drones, AR represents augmented reality. There are AR apps to make the flight experience more high-tech and interesting. The AR drone is a flying camera with GPS and an indoor stabilized system. In the indoor stabilized system, we are using different sensors and algorithms to make the drone hovering indoor. For altitude, the ultrasound transceiver emits inaudible sound and measures the bounce back time interval. For horizontal side, the tiny low resolution vertical camera at the bottom of the drone takes 60 photos per second to compare the ground texture to stabilize the drifting. This is what we did in around 11 years ago. Okay, in 2016, we entered the commercial market. The flying robots, that means the drones plus photogrammetry software, work for professionals. We are now going to play a short video around 1 minute 30 seconds. Please enjoy. This video will tell you how it works.
Bonjour, je suis aujourd'hui sur l'île de Nantes, devant ce superbe bâtiment administratif, les anciens sièges du chantier naval, pour lequel je vais réaliser un modèle 3D de ce bâtiment à l'aide d'un Bebop 2 et des logiciels Pix4D. Cette solution est particulièrement simple à utiliser. La mise en œuvre se fait avec un simple smartphone. Avec l'application Pix4D Capture, il n'y a pas besoin de savoir piloter. On programme le vol et on appuie sur Start pendant 3 secondes. Le vol est complètement automatisé. Et le drone revient à son point de décollage tout seul. En l'occurrence, pour ce bâtiment de 80 mètres, il m'aura fallu 12 minutes, 74 photos et à peu près 1 heure de traitement sur le cloud pour obtenir le modèle 3D. pour faire des maîtrés et éventuellement une élévation 3D.
Okay, the video just show you is how the drone can scan the building and make the measurement for surveying, inspection, etc. Today we are now focusing on 4 main markets. As you see in this slide, we are focusing defense, public safety, inspection, and media production. What are the most important factors when you are choosing a flying robot to work for you? Please think about it. Remember, which is not simply an aerial camera, which are data capture and processing. Please think about it. Yes, right, it is security, cyber security, data security, and national security. Cybersecurity is a key priority for drones. Users need to trust their drones' front-end and back-end systems and make sure their data is fully protected. Your data are fully protected by your own self? Do you think there is any legislation to force the manufacturer and the pilot to share the flight data to military air traffic control server? Yes, it is happening somewhere, just nearby Korea. The UAV company you selected is governed by law to protect your data or ruled by the party. We just won the CSO 50 Award 2021. In the slide you will see there are some very world-famous enterprise, Adobe ARM, Cisco, DocuSign, FedEx. They are all in the list. So you are simply Google it to see all the 50 winners. Okay. After I introduce the Parrot group and what we did before, and the important factor when you choose a drone, which is the security, let's enjoy a 1-minute video, not too long, to show you how Parrot drones can work for human, work for professional. Let's play the video. If you want to know more, please contact Jeremy at Hancom Awesomeware Tech. Okay, we already talked about the future, the previous, current, what the flying robot can do. Okay, now I'm going to share what is the future trends in the point of view of Parrot. The trend will be driven by the usage. That means even you have the technology, if you don't have the usage, the drone or the industry will not grow. So we focus on the usage. Diversified drones, sensors, and software. There are no universal drone. That means there are no drones for all applications. Different application needs different drones and softwares. I believe lightweight, easy to deploy, easy of use, autonomous. That means it can work itself in some kind of automatically. Image recognition. AI, for example, find its own path when it's doing their task. The current usage right now for our drone, for example, inspection, for example, patrol, investigation, border control, for example, indoor patrol, it would be powered by AI in the near future. For example, warehouse inspection, factory inspection, military base inspection, and also the defense, which is the current usage right now. A short-range reconnaissance device for troops. This is what U.S. Army is doing. So, finally, I invite everybody to join our online product launch on 30th of June. This new drone comes with new communication standard, open to software developer to build the ecosystem together. Just like your smartphone, if there's only a phone without ecosystem, it would like a break. Full open source application. Open source, that means everybody can see what happened in the app. That means security. Autonomous photogrammetry. New cyber security. This is all about the drone. Let's see online on 30th of June. Thank you very much again to Hancom Group and Hancom Awesome Tech for inviting me to share with you here. Wish the Mars Forum every success. Thank you very much.